It's the battle of the cruise lines. We pit two premium cruise lines, Celebrity against Princess, to find out which one is best.
Well, ahoy there, cruisers. We're Ben and David. Cruise with Ben and David. Sorry, I forgot the name of our channel.
Really? This video is sponsored by Vision Cruise, with dedicated agents in the UK, USA and Australia. Book your next cruise by clicking in the link in the description section below. So let's kick this off, guys. So we're going to vote for either Princess or Celebrity. Our printer is acting up and printed very strange colours.
It's orange. We've rebranded Princess and Celebrity to orange logos because our printer's broken.
So let's start with the ships and who has the best ones. Both companies have a mix of older and newer ships. Princess have 18 ships in their fleet, whilst Celebrity only have 13 in their fleet. The Princess fleet overall is slightly older than Celebrity's fleet. Both companies don't have big features such as water slides and aqua parks and are much more reliant on good dining, service and things like that compared to some of the other bigger cruise lines.
Some things we love about Princess ships is that all the ships have the same feel. You definitely know that you're on a Princess ship as soon as you board. They just feel familiar and welcoming. We always feel like we're coming back home on a Princess ship. They have a modern yet traditional feel, and they do feel more upscale compared to other cruise lines such as Royal Caribbean and Norwegian. The newer Royal class ships are really fantastic. They're super easy to navigate and offer a great range of features and activities. These ships are really stunning inside out. You'll also find technological innovations such as the Sea Walk, which is an awesome see-through glass walkway suspended off the side of the ship 16 decks high above water.
That's a tongue twister.
That is a tongue twister and a half.
Most things are also included on Princess ships, with only a few specialty restaurants. We love all of the different separate pool areas on Princess as well. On the older and newer ships there are several different pool and areas to enjoy the sun. And one thing that we love is the self-service laundry facilities on Princess as well, which saves you lots of money by being able to wash and dry and iron your clothes whilst on board and not having to send them off to the expensive laundry department. This is especially great on those longer sailings where you really begin to run out of the clothes.
So some of the things that we love about Celebrity are the newer Edge class ships. They are spectacular, but we do feel they're a little bit confusing as we don't really know who they're aiming these ships at. They are cutting edge ships filled with amazing technology, but our last experience on the Edge was very different to how we would have imagined, as the average age of the cruiser was really over 70 years old. We've always heard that Celebrity attracts a younger crowd, but this really wasn't our experience. We found that Celebrity cruisers tend to be significantly older than Princess cruisers, with virtually nobody in their 20s or 30s.
That said, Celebrity ships are absolutely beautiful and feature things such as the magic carpet and infinite balconies. They're very cool. The ships do feel very flashy and a little bit more stylish than Princess.
Features wise, both cruise lines on the whole are very similar, with features such as sports courts, jogging tracks and lovely pool decks. Both ships do have great kids clubs, but we think that Princess pips Celebrity at the post with the Discovery themed kids clubs, as well as a dedicated kids splash pool on all but one of the ships, which is the Pacific Princess.
Service wise, it's pretty much even on both cruise lines. We have come to expect outstanding service on both lines, and 99% of the time we get just that. So it's too hard to judge service from one from the other. Should we vote?
Oh, let's vote.
Let's vote. 3, 2, 1. It's a draw.
It's a tie.
It's a draw. I think that's true. I've got to say though, I think if it was just judged on the base of an Edge class ship, Celebrity probably would pip the post. But there are only two in the fleet, so Celebrity, I think Princess wins on this front. Some of the Celebrity ships are confusing in layout and don't offer the same amount of pools as they do on Princess.
Yeah, I do think it's a real tie, but I just like the feel of Princess ships.
Honestly,
they feel like we're coming home. It's a personal favourite for us.
I think they've both got beautiful ships, so it's super hard to pick from. So let's take a look at the cabins for the next round. Ding, ding, ding. Both lines offer a large array of different cabin types, from inside, ocean view, balcony, mini suites all the way up to the big suites, as well as accessible cabins. The Celebrity Edge and Apex also have solo cabins in the form of 16 infinite veranda rooms, whilst Princess don't actually have any solo cabins.
On the Celebrity Edge ships, the cabins are beautiful, and we love the remote controlled electronic infinite balcony and how fresh and modern the cabins look. Some of the cabins on the older Princess ships are starting to show their age, but we've always been very comfortable in them, with the amazing Princess luxury bed, which is larger than normal cabins. And on the newer ships, such as the Sky Princess, the decor is much more bright and clean and welcoming. Mini suites on Princess are fabulous too and are really large, but the balconies on the Royal class ships do seem to be smaller than the Celebrity balconies.
When it comes to suites, Celebrity definitely has more choice with some excellent perks such as priority boarding and disembarking, private dining room, unlimited dining in all specialty restaurants for lunch and dinner, free internet, and free premium beverage package for everyone in the suite. Whilst suites on Princess come with dinner at a specialty restaurant on boarding day, priority embarkation and disembarkation, butler service, free laundry, a suites-only breakfast in a specialty restaurant, as well as nightly canapes in your cabin.
Ooh,
so should we
vote? Cabins.
Let's do it. 3, 2, ding, ding, ding.
Who did you put?
Yeah, Celebrity.
Oh,
It has
you
to
put
be
Celebrity as well.
just because they've got solo cabins. The new cabins are so fantastic, and those suite perks are amazing as well, aren't they?
I think it is the choice, the range of cabins available that really pips them to the post.
There's nothing wrong with Princess cabins, but yeah, Celebrity wins this one. Modern cabins with some awesome features, as well as better suite perks.
Yeah, definitely if you're looking at a suite, Celebrity offers you more bang for your buck.
Definitely.
So next up is entertainment. On Celebrity, you'll find activities such as dance classes, trivia, bingo, wine tastings, and lectures. The iLounge features on all ships and offers classes in photography, website design, and other computer skills. During an evening, you'll find live performances around the ship, as well as DJ parties and theatre shows, which do tend to be a little more out there than your standard cruise theatre show.
These include Cirque du Soleil style performances, and on Solstice class ships you'll find live jazz performances on the freshly cut lawn on the outdoor deck, as well as the extra charge movie dinner show. On Princess ships you'll find original music jukebox type shows, as well as comedy and magic acts. Some shows have been created especially for Princess with Oscar winning composer Stephen Schwartz. You might know him from Wicked, Pippin and Godspell. You'll find just about live music in just about every single bar, as well as discos, trivia, game shows, karaoke and much more. There's also the free Movies Under the Stars with free popcorn and cookies. This takes place on the pool deck with a huge screen under the stars, and it's a great way to watch a movie.
Ooh, right, should we vote?
Should we vote? Let's do it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Bing! Oh,
Princess.
bing,
Bing, bing, bing.
Princess.
Yeah, I do think it's going to be Princess. Just because, I don't know, the entertainment game is really strong with them, but the shows on Celebrity are a little bit unusual and a bit weird in some places. But on Princess, it's more of what you would expect with live music everywhere, loads of activities, trivia and activities.
So next up is dining, and I know this is going to be a really tough one, as both Celebrity and Princess have outstanding food and some of the best we've had at sea. Both offer traditional set-time dining and the more flexible anytime dining, and both have formal nights during the cruise where more formal attire is required in the main dining rooms.
On Princess, most of the food is actually included in the price, with the exception of just a few specialty restaurants such as Sabatini's Italian and a steakhouse. There's also the amazing free pizzeria called Alfredo's on more ships. It serves what we think is specialty quality pizza. And then there's also the 24-hour International Cafe, which serves up beautiful light bites such as sandwiches, pies, pastries and cakes. And there's also an afternoon tea which takes place too.
Oh, very posh. The buffet varies depending on the ship. With Princess, the choice is quite small on some of the older ships, and overall we do think that the choice and quality food in the buffet is better on Celebrity. They also offer more specialty restaurants such as the Tuscan Grill, cuisine and sushi on 5. So there is definitely more choice with Celebrity, but of course it also comes at a cost. There's some really cool specialty dining venues on Celebrity too, including Le Petit Chef, where an animated scene is projected onto your table and plate, bringing the meal alive.
Both also have complimentary room service during the day, with Princess also offering it during the night. There is a $4.95 charge between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. on Celebrity, and on both menus there's also things you can buy as well as part of apart from the complimentary things as well. Should we vote?
Oh, dining's a tough one, I think, for these.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Princess
tie
Celebrity.
again.
It's too close to tell, honestly.
Yeah.
Definitely Celebrity has more on offer, but Princess, most of it is actually free.
Yeah,
so I think that's a big thing.
Included dining options, Princess wins. Speciality dining options, Celebrity.
You're not going to be disappointed on either of these lines, though, are you?
So our final round is value
ding.
for money. Princess do tend to come in cheaper most of the time with some fantastic deals. And because more dining is included, the overall price you will probably spend is less than on a Celebrity ship. I think that the top level on Celebrity, so if you book a suite, it does beat the top level on Princess. But the regular or standard cabins on Princess do beat Celebrity.
Entertainment really is better on Princess, so it smashes Celebrities in our opinion, and Celebrities seem to prioritise those in higher level cabins than Princess does. It's starting to feel like when you're on a Celebrity ship, it's a bit of a two-tier ship, with those in suites and things and those in normal cabins. So should we vote? 3, 2, 1. Yep,
Princess,
has to be Princess.
yeah.
Just because they are genuinely so much cheaper, especially than the new Edge class ships, which are really expensive in some cases.
Definitely. And the fact that pretty much most of the stuff on board is included. It's actually very hard to spend money on board a Princess ship. Overall, you do seem to have better value for money.
So overall, the winner is Princess, just by 1 point. So yeah, there you go.
So close, guys. Really close.
We genuinely love Princess. We really do. From the fantastic food, impeccable service, and lovely ships, we always feel at home here. That's not to say Celebrity isn't fantastic either, because they are. We just enjoy Princess ships a little bit more because of the fellow passengers always seem to be super friendly, and we genuinely always can't wait to get on our next Princess cruise. I'm really looking forward to our one this year. Are you?
Yeah, I am. It's just a personal favourite. Like I said earlier, we always feel at home at a Princess ship.
So what do you think, guys? What cruise line do you prefer? Please let us know in the comments, and why. What are your reasons for this? We'd love to hear from you below.
Yeah, we would do. Before we go though, just another quick mention from our sponsor, Vision Cruise. They have just won 2 FIFA awards in the UK and Australia for outstanding service. It is fantastic, guys.
Well done. They are an experienced family-run company with over 30 years. So please book your cruise with Vision Cruise, and it really helps us out as we get a small kickback when you book. Info in the description section below.
And before we go, please consider subscribing to us, guys. It really does help us out. Give this video a thumbs up too, and hit that bell notification button so you'll get notified when we upload a brand new video.
Cruise captain this week is Charles. Ahoy! So that's it till next time.
Happy cruising.
So guys, joke of the week this week. Breaking news. Passengers are trapped on a cruise ship in the ocean for 4 days. But don't worry, it's kind of what they paid for. I couldn't see this.
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, it's terrible. Sorry,
That's
guys.
like a Daily Mail article.
That's awful.